Hello and welcome back to Projects of Wellington. Today we're going to be looking at the Peugeot. Now this car came in quite a state when I picked it up. There have loads of dog hairs in there, so I will just show you a clip of that now. Okay, so that's what that's looking like now. Just got to do these bits on the car, make it more presentable. Obviously I've cleaned it all inside now, so that's looking a lot better than what it did because it had dog hairs everywhere. Still maybe need a bit more cleaning to be done before we sell it, but it's a hell of a lot better than what it was. Got rid of all the stains on the seats. Still a bit of dust in there, but we'll get that done. And then we've just got some marks on the back here. Need doing. Fill those up with sand and then spray them in the right colour. Repin that bumper back up. Just clean these little marks up. So yeah, that's the jobs that need to be done next. Okay, so now we're going to be looking around the car and I'll show you what I've done to it so far. Apart from the clean that I showed you earlier, this is the bodywork that I've been doing, which is there. I've also done a carbon clean of the engine, so that's good, and we've tidied that up as well. There's quite a few little marks on the bodywork, which we're just cleaning up now. There's some scratches on the back bumper. Hopefully that will look good when it's finished. And then, okay, so the next stage is going to be just carry on with the paint work on here. Take the all the little dents that I've got here. I've got a pulling tool to pull the dents out of that area there, like so. There it is. And then once I've completed that, I've got MOT till August next year, so it'll be ready to sell then. So just got to wait for the paint to come in, but just going to carry on doing all the bodywork now. But yeah, should be a nice little car when it's finished. So thanks for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe and come back for the next video. Thank you. Bye.